Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a Microsoft 365 tutorial for beginners in 2025. So guys, you're new to Microsoft 365. In this quick 2025 walkthrough, I'll show you everything you need to do to get started, collaborate and stay productive all in one place. So basically, we need to know a couple of things like what is Microsoft 365? Microsoft 365 is a cloud-based productivity suite that includes popular apps like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Microsoft Teams, and OneDrive. Now, you can use any of them anywhere, and because of this, it's synced across your computer, your tablet, and your mobile devices, and all your files stay synced automatically as far as you're signed in to Microsoft. All right, so let's get started with working through Microsoft 365. We have Microsoft 365 Copilot app. It's an application you can actually download and install using the Microsoft Store on your computer or the App Store on the iOS devices or the iOS computer. That's the MacBook. You can get it installed using that option. But I'm going to be showing you how you can make use of the cloud option or the web option for Microsoft 365. So just go ahead and click on sign in. Once you've clicked on sign in, go ahead and type in your email address. So enter your email address and click on next. All right, guys. And now once inside, you get to see your dashboard, which contains mostly your quick access to your files and some applications. So we have the Microsoft 365 Copilot chat, notebooks, create, and apps. And then we also have Microsoft applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So you get to click on any of them and they would open directly on your browser, basically. So with the create tool, you can create visuals, documents, and more. You get to harness the power of AI to generate stunning visuals, draft documents, and more. If you click on next, you then can make use of apps, which opens your Microsoft 365 apps. You can add more or explore new ones by category. And then last but not least is the search. So you can search for your files in seconds and web results. So let's get started. With the search, you can simply search for any file you have created or any apps from your list of applications. And with the chat, I believe you can talk to the AI. That's the Copilot itself. You can chat with the Copilot. And for notebooks, it's basically as it says, it's a notebook. The create option is self-explanatory as well as the apps I just described this too. And now I would like to suggest how to use OneDrive. OneDrive can be used for file uploads. So basically OneDrive is your cloud storage. You can upload your files, organize folders, share documents with anyone. It's perfect for your teams or remote work. So as you saw, I simply clicked on it and it opened OneDrive. Now everything is saved automatically on OneDrive and you will never lose your progress, basically. So with OneDrive, you don't lose your progress or anything of that sort as far as you click on OneDrive and your account is logged in. Now, you can also collaborate with other people in real time. Using Microsoft 365, multiple people can edit the same document at the same time, and you can also chat and hold meetings using Microsoft Teams. So you can access Microsoft Teams web by just a click of a button once you're on the Microsoft 365 Copilot or the cloud.microsoft.com. Like I said, OneDrive is just a create or upload. That's all you need to do, and your files are dropped here. You can also buy more storage. You can upgrade your storage plans on Microsoft Cloud. You can update your storage. You can buy more and things of that nature. Now, another thing you could do is I'd like to suggest some productivity tips. So, if you want to work faster, make sure you use the new AI, which is the chat room here. You could use the new AI features and simply get started with the chatting. But in order to make use of the chat, you have to upgrade your plan to access the AI powered chat that helps you find what you need. Basically, it can help you draft emails, summarize documents, and create PowerPoint slides instantly. And you could also explore some built-in templates for resumes. It can help you generate templates. It's basically ChatGPT, but for Microsoft. All right, guys, that's how your quick Microsoft 365 beginners tutorial is. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.